Hello, Suman. Good morning.
Hi Ashi, very good morning. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. And what about you? How are you doing? How is everything going?
Yes, everything is going great.
Good
Tell
to
me, yeah,
hear.
how was your morning?
Yeah, my morning?
I'm asking. Yes, yes.
Yeah, I can say my morning was quite busy morning, and at the same time, it was just and morning as usual, I did the work as usual I do in the morning, and after completing household chores, I was just thinking that I today I just want to connect with one person. And because yesterday, I wasn't able to connect with anyone because today, like yesterday, I was not at home. So that was the reason that I couldn't connect to anybody. So then today, since morning, I am just, pondering that no, I have to connect today with at least one person. Today, I can't escape my practice because practice is something that gives me, it gives me a sense of satisfactions, I can say, and it give me a sense of clarity in my thoughts, and it gives obviously it if you would consistent, if you are practicing every single day, so it is I think it is a thing, it gives you fluency. So that is the reason I just want to have conversation every single day. But I think someday I am not able to connect, I'm not able to have interact with anyone. But yeah, today, now I
Okay, so may I know oftenly how do you conversation do you attend in a day?
how many conversation, how many well, it's depend.
Yeah.
It's depend. The first thing is depend on my schedule. Like someday, if I have plenty of time, if I feel that now I have enough time, so that time I try to connect at least to two and three, people. But there is
Mm-hmm.
also another condition that is also depend to the other person. Sometimes we really struggle to connect at least with one person because every day it is I think it is so challenging to get person every single day, especially I'm talking about on video call. So that is the thing, if there is a person who really wants to connect with me and I'm also want to connect with them, so literally I have at least two conversation every single day. But if it is not, so that I just prefer to have at least one conversation.
Okay. Do you also use audio
Yes, I use.
conversation?
Yeah, every single day, especially
So
particularly.
which application do you use nowadays?
Well, to be very honest, these days I have been using S Fluency application. S Fluency.
Okay. Do you take subscription?
Yeah, well,
Sorry,
look,
did you take subscription or just you use free of cost?
yeah, look, I would say that earlier, back then I was using for free, but then I realized that because when you use that application free, so you will only get, I think most 90% male people, you know, male person, and they are, I think most 50% are good, 50% are not good, in the sense of
Hmm.
they just try to talk you in that way that you don't feel comfortable, and they just ask, and they just started, they just start asking question your related to your personal life, and they want to get your
They
number
shows very interest to know about
in your
personal
personal
questions,
life,
right?
yeah. And then I thought,
Yeah.
I was having conversation, and I was just trying to save my money. That's how I can save my money. And so that's why I was just testing, that application. I was just having that experience, that how does it work. If it is work well, so then I will took I don't need to take any subscription. If it doesn't well, so that time obviously I need to take a subscription, because if you have subscriptions, so that time you can talk with female to female. Otherwise you can't talk with them. So then
Mm-hmm.
I was having conversation. My experience was, so bad experience with them. And then after some time, after 15 days, I realized no, it is not going to work. I literally need to take any subscription. So now I have taken subscription. So now I just talk with female to female, and I'm very comfortable with them, and we can talk on topics. And if I will not, when I was having conversation general view, so if I am telling I said that I just want to discuss this topic with you, and I have question for you. So immediately, they disconnected the call immediately, and I'm
Yeah,
like,
exactly. It's happened yesterday also with me. I encountered one of HR. So I asked him, "Oh, you are doing really great job. You are a HR, so please ask me question related to teacher
Mhm.
and please take my interview." And he suddenly cut the call.
Cut the call. They do,
Yeah.
they do such a type of thing. And literally, after disconnect the call, I used to feel so bad. Sometimes I used to feel
Yeah,
so
because we
guilty.
already waste our time,
Yes,
5 to 7 minutes
yes.
to give the introduction
Interview.
where I
Yeah, yeah,
belong from,
yeah.
like that, like that.
Yeah,
So
definitely.
when turns to come start our conversation, so people run away. So this
They
is
don't
not
show
good.
interest, they don't show interest in talking about a topic, or talking that they. If I have a question and I am just asking that, listen, I have a question and I want to ask you, and if you have question, then you can ask me. So without listening any question, they disconnect the call, and I'm like, after that, why I'm wasting my time if they are not willing,
Mhm.
if they are not
So do you
showing
also
any interest.
uh, do you also do group discussion
Not yet.
on the Ace
I
Fluency?
haven't done a group discussion, because I also feel that it's my personal perspective. Personally, what I feel that if I would do group discussion, so maybe I have to wait for my weight, and it takes time. You cannot just wait, because there are lot of people, and then, they will also talk, and after that you will talk. Maybe you will take 15 minutes or 14 minutes or 13 minutes, and for that time you just have to listen to them, and you will not get a chance to speak, because I am here on this application for just speaking purpose. I am not here to just listen to people, because there are a lot of people, there are a lot of platform where I can listen people, where I can hear, where I can watch. So my motive to come on this application, that is speaking. If I am not getting chance to speak more and more, so I don't feel that it is my perspective. In my opinion, I don't feel that I should involve in group discussion. So that's why I just don't participate in group
You
discussion.
But according to my perception, if you spend money, so you have to at least um take, or I can say participate at least once in a week, one group discussion also. Because when we join somewhere, so uh we have to also increase our courage to speak in front of so many people, whether we get chance or not, but we get ideas.
Yeah, you
So if
know.
you are spend yeah, if you spended money on this particular application, so according to my perception, you should take at least once in a week one group discussion
Yeah, I
also.
think I should do. I should do. But the thing is that just everyone has their own personal choice. Everyone has their own
Yes,
comfortable thing
yes.
where I feel comfortable, and where I really feel. But yeah, you said right that I'm also thinking to to participate in group discussion and all. And I'm also thinking to create my own group discussion, that I will be host, and I will invite people to come and join the group
On
discussion.
the ACE application, on the ACE application.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Can
that's
create
wonderful.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
can
you can do
create.
like that also. If you are not comfortable to another app, a group, so you can create your own,
Yeah,
like
that's.
with the whom you are familiar.
Hmm.
Like as you mentioned, you also took subscription, so you can also choose according to your choice
Yeah,
members,
yeah.
right?
Yeah, I can
So you
invite
can create
people,
own.
whoever I
Mm-hmm.
want. I can invite people.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes, exactly right.
Yeah.
But if we want to do these kind of activities, so we need time. So please tell me, I'm really enthusiastic to know about you. How do you start your early morning? Because as you already mentioned, you were quite busy in the morning.
Yeah. Well, if I talk about my morning, so I start the first thing after waking up, I do prayer. Okay, I start my morning with prayer. And after that, now in winter, I really feel that I am becoming a sluggish. So I'm not able to do for the exercise. I don't feel like to do exercise and all. So then after praying and then I just take little bit rest. In that time, I wanted to do exercise. I wanted to do meditation and I wanted to go for morning walk. But because of the winter and because of the cold, I am not able to do this kind of thing. So then I take a little bit rest and then after 15 minutes, I get up again. I got up again and I start my day with the. Okay, let me tell you. I start my day with chia seed water, and then I drink. First, I drink 1 glass warm water, and after 13 minutes, I drink, chia seed water and then some dry fruit and all because I really need at this time. Because it gives you a kind of energy for throughout for the entire day. So that's why I just took. And then and then I keep busy with the household chores. Then these days, my sister-in-law, she's not at home, so that's why I have lots of responsibilities right now, and I have to make breakfast for my family, and I have to do the all cleaning and sweeping and mopping and doing the dishes and all. So I was just trying to wrap up the things as soon as possible, as early as I can. So that's how I do. And
Okay.
after finishing my work, I just got back to study. I just try to listen at least. After after completing my household, I just go without wasting my time. I take my emails and I check the group that there is something that I should know before studying and before working on this language. So if there is something, so I obviously I replied to them. And if there is a person who just want to have conversation right now, like 9:30 or at 10 a.m., so that time I said, yeah, I'm free now. I say I'm free now, so we can connect. So then, if there is an opportunity,
Usually you usually you free between 9:30 to 10, right?
no, at 9, I'm free. In general, I'm
Wow,
free.
amazing.
Yeah,
Okay.
I do.
Okay, let me one thing. I'm little bit confused. Are you married, right?
No,
As you
no,
mentioned, my sister.
no, no,
You
no.
are not.
I'm not married.
Okay.
Yeah, but
Sorry.
I can say in my family right now I am elder. Like I'm not elder, I'm middle one, but now I am elder. I have lots of responsibilities because my sister is younger than me. She also help me in the household chores. It's not like that I do all the thing by on my own. She also helps me. How do you unwind yourself?
Okay. You know, when I do like from morning to noon home chores and state related to my study work, then I feel exhausted. So you know what I do usually? I just take my phone and scroll some reels on the Instagram, and after that, I love to take a nap. When I take a nap, so I feel so relaxed.
In the afternoon. In the
Yeah.
afternoon.
Yes,
Yeah, I
yes,
think
yes.
the
And
afternoon and nap is really powerful. We feel recharged and we feel energetic to do for the next, next task and next things. Yeah. Okay.
yes, yes,
Another ways.
yes, yes. Yeah, another way, for watching some and like interesting like what should I say, reels or
Yeah,
stories,
yeah,
web
short
series,
videos,
anything,
short videos.
shorts videos. Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah, these are two things. Or sometime I don't feel to do anything, then I love to talk with my sisters
mm, yeah, it is
and
also
mother as well.
yeah, it
Yeah.
is also best way to talk with anyone if we are, stress full, if we are stressed out with so many things, we are exhausted, so we can talk and we can spend time with the nature, in nature, and
Yeah.
we can take nap and we can read books, whatever, whatever the way you like
But
to
you know,
improve yourself.
when I feel fresh, then I just prefer to read anything. But when I feel exhausted, then just I love to scroll my phone and talking to my sisters or mother
Okay.
and yeah, take a nap. I just love to do these three activity when I feel exhausted. What about you?
Okay, my way, if I can say also just similarly, I also like to take nap in the afternoon because I really feel that it is the best way to recharge yourself, or it is the best way to feel energetic for the next task, for the next thing. So that you obviously you would feel relaxed. You would feel relaxed and you would feel fresh after taking even taking nap means you just have to take a rest 15 minutes or 20 minutes. That's it. It is a
But it
short.
is not enough for me.
Oh my God.
Oh,
So
yeah,
that is
at
not
least I need
nap.
1 hour.
At art, we can say that there is another word in
1 hour, 1 hour,
1 hour.
1 hour.
Yeah, so we can, we say something else if there is someone who is taking 1 hour sleep. There is some other word. I'm not able to recall. Actually, I am bad
Yeah, you are right.
remembering the names and also I used to forget easily. I have a habit to forget things very easily and I'm very
It
bad.
happens, I must say, with so many co-learners.
Yeah, and
It
also
also happens with.
yeah, and also if I want to take if I want to give break for myself, even for just for a very short period of time, like if I want to
Mhm.
unwind myself, so that time, I listen. It is
Okay.
whatever. Yeah, I listen in English, and it really gives me a sense of contentment, a sense of fulfillment. So that I don't. I feel like that it is the best way for me to unwind. And there is also another thing. If whenever I do practice with anybody, like if I am able to have conversation with you, so this is something, it really gives me, it really gives me energy to do the things with wholeheartedly, and I really feel happy, and I don't feel exhausted, and I don't feel burnout and all. So I think it is also another way for me to unwind myself.
Yeah, exactly right. And I must say this is a good habit.
Hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, for relaxing.
Okay.
Okay, so as you
Mhm.
like you usually yes, if you want to say something, so you can
No,
say
you can.
later, then I will ask.
You can.
Okay, so as you mentioned, you are busy early in from morning to noon for home chores, and after that you busy especially in English language, right? And
Yeah.
what about evening? What do you do in evening?
Well, evening, I can say that I'm providing tuition for 2 hours. Like I'm providing tuition for PM to 6 p.m. So I took
Okay.
tuition for 2 hours, and this is my evening. Looks like I'm busy in the evening as well. And after that,
Yeah, you also shared before like previous conversation. I forgot about
yeah,
your evening schedule.
yeah, and
Okay, so
mm-hmm.
hmm
Okay.
which standard do you teach?
Currently I'm teaching 9 to 12th, especially because 9 to 10 I'm teaching science subject, and 11 to 12th I'm teaching chemistry. It's a separate subject for them. And I have few student as well. They are from 7 and 8th grade. So then to them I teach math and English.
Okay,
Math and English as well.
okay,
Especially
okay,
grammar,
great.
I'm teaching
That's the
grammar.
reason you are quite busy.
Yeah, I'm quite
Okay.
busy. I'm quite busy. You can say that. I'm quite busy. And after
Mm-hmm.
after taking tuition, and after providing tuition, I'm busy too, because I just want to make sure that I have a time, like in the evening I have a 1 hour or 2 hours, like 6:30 to 8 p.m. I'm free. 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. I'm free. So in that time, if there is something that if there is a video that I need to edit, I want to edit. There is some work that there is still pending, so I just try to finish that work as soon as possible, and then I try to talk on a audio call, and I just want to make sure that I will talk at least 1 hour on audio call. So that time
Okay,
I talk over audio call.
okay. There is no responsibility at your home in the evening
No,
time.
no, no. In the evening, I can say I don't have responsibility, because, as I mentioned, my sister, she took responsibility in the evening. So that's why
Means you divided into two parts. Morning
no,
time, you
no, it's not like that. It's not like that. She said, if you
uh,
are busy, so then I can do these things. You don't need to do the things on your
okay.
own. If you have conversation, and if you want to spend some time with yourself, if you want to spend some time with this language, so you can do. There is no dividation. We don't have this kind of
Okay,
conversation. No, no, it's very, how to say,
okay.
yeah. It's a very mutual understanding we have.
That's wonderful.
Yeah, there is no
Mm-hmm.
dividation.
You are talking about your sister-in-law or your own sister?
Yeah, my sister, my younger sister, my younger sister.
How old she?
Yeah,
How old is she?
she's 22.
Okay, all
Yeah,
right. So do
yeah.
you also speak with her in
Sometime.
English?
Sometime, because when you
Okay.
speak with your family members, so that time you hesitate a lot. You would be hesitant, and the other person would be hesitate a lot in front of you. So that is the reason that I don't prefer to talk with her. Or she also, she also doesn't want to talk with me, because she also feel very shy in front of me, because I
She
am
doesn't
much
show
fluent than her.
her.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, she doesn't show her what should I say? Interest.
Yeah, citizen so, and
She doesn't show
she
you
feel that
interest.
you are speaking in a flow, and at the same time I'm not able to speak with you in that flow. So that time, she feels like some kind of shyness, or hesitation, obviously, or she feels reluctant at that time. So she said, she says, no, I think I can't talk to you. I can't talk to you, and I can't talk to you in that flow. And I just try to make him understand, no, you will be at that much fluent if you will talk to me constantly, if you will talk to me every
Mm-hmm.
single day, so you can get that level as well. But she says, no, I think now I need to talk with the other people, like stranger and all, so I can get confidence, and I would be this much fluent at that time. I will speak with you, and I said, okay, I'm like, okay, it's completely up to you. If you are not feeling to okay with me to talk, so it's completely up to you. We will talk some other time, and we will talk later whenever you feel to talk with me.
Okay, okay. Do you also speak with your students?
Yeah, I speak, and they also feel hesitation. They are not comfortable, because yeah, they are from CBSE. They are from CBSE school, but as we know that every CBSE school, is not providing this kind of exposure environment where student can speak freely, where where
Mhm.
student can speak all the time. So that's why sometimes they feel uncomfortable, and I also don't want to make feel uncomfortable. So that's why if they are willing to talk, if they say, "Ma'am, we want to talk with you in English," and just so that time I agree, okay, let's talk, and that time we do talk in English. But if there is someday they are not willing, they are not feeling comfortable, so that time I don't do, because there is something that I just don't want to make them to feel uncomfortable, because I really want to make them comfortable wherever they are comfortable, or wherever they want to talk, wherever they really want to talk. So that time I do with them. Otherwise, I don't do.
Okay, all right. Yeah, you are exactly right. And we can't go with flow with our specialist student because we have to go by bilingual.
Yes. Yeah. I
Hmm.
talk in bilingual. I
So
can.
that they can able to understand.
Yeah, it's it's usually happen if you are fluent in this language. So it is so challenging for you to talk in, like you have, like if you want to talk with them, so you can't use complete Hindi. There would be some words, it will it will come automatically from your mouth, and then you will in that way you can talk. Otherwise, if I talk about, there is something, if, especially I'm talking about with my students, so if I want to talk to them in complete Hindi, so I'm not able, because I really feel that there are so many words, there are a lot of words there on the tip of my tongue, and they slipped without they slipped automatically. It's naturally happens. So sometimes I feel that I'm talking in bilingual language. Yeah, there is no
Okay,
complete
all
English, there
right.
is no complete Hindi. Yeah.
Mhm. Okay, so Ashi, I think we already covered more
Yes.
than 20 minutes. So should we
More
wrap up the
than
session now?
more than
Because
30 minutes. More
okay, because I am unable to see the screen.
yeah,
That's the
exactly.
reason I just guess.
Like,
Yeah, because I have
you
already
know
booked
what
session.
happened whenever I have conversation? So I got lost in conversation and I didn't realize how time flies. So it is my problem. But yeah, it was very nice conversation with you. And thank you for connecting me again. And I hope we will connect. We will keep connecting like this. Okay?
Yes, yes,
Bye bye.
definitely. Yeah.
Bye bye. Take
Okay,
care.
bye-bye. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
Okay,
you
same to
too.
you. Have a great